Good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. I hope so and they stay safe for this coronavirus pandemic. This is the voice of your homeboy, Dr. Ogewonyi Brightens. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products.
So you see, tell us more about your energy bulb saver.
Yes, the Brightens Super Saving LED Energy Saving Bulb. Now bulb will be saving. They make them as 5 watts and 12 watts. Now bulb will be saying the 5 watt bulb is shine light past the normal 18 watt. Consumption rate will reduce.
So most Sidamo look your inverter battery, the solar panel and the solar charge control, and with the one we be say it dey for market.
So I want let Nigerians know say the most important advantage of buying anything from Brightens Electronics be say now made in Nigeria product. If you develop for bring am, you see I don't let they tell Nigerians say it good man they patronize people where they make something so that if it's spoil you will get where you will carry and go. For example, now because of this pandemic of coronavirus, they don't lock down Lagos, lock down Ondo State, lock down Ogun, lock down Delta State. If your foreign inverter now develop fault, where you want to carry and go repair them, you fit go Lagos now, be you fit go Onitsha or you fit go Port Harcourt, you don't go fit. That's how the type of say solar panel inverter battery na thousands of naira or even millions of naira. So when you dey spend your money, you see they think of if this thing spoil tomorrow where I wan carry am go, because nothing go last forever. So the most important advantage be say we make am here for Nigeria. If you develop for bring am back and you go carry your fan, TV, AC, borehole depending on the size or the kVA wey you dey buy, and na your normal electronics wey dey that house you go still carry. And we no dey do subscription say you come dey pay every month come dey subscribe am. No, na your normal household electronics go give you constant light depending on the number of battery or solar panel wey you buy put.
So which other things they produce for there and the discount there for this period, and you see tell us about your automatic changeover devices.
Yes, you see for the brothers automatic changeover device now something will be say if they bring if they bring NEPA light for night, for example you dey sleep they bring your NEPA light, the brothers automatic changeover it go help you off the generator, carry you go national grid effortlessly. You never need to get up from sleep to go the off gen for night or go dey come out for inside your compound, inside your flat, go dey off the gen wey dey outside. No, because sometimes still fit dey there, if they draw the choke, you know say your gen dey misbehave. As you read there, they'll follow you enter house. That's why they tell you say if you buy the Brightens automatic changeover, you go off the gen, carry you go national grid. But suppose say maybe you want make you dey by yourself, they on the gen from inside house, they off the gen from inside house without opening door go outside. You will come by the Brightens power switch for generator. That go make you feel on the gen from inside house or off the gen from inside house. So all you can still know say for Brightens Electronics Company, promo wey we dey do now be say if you wan buy like the inverter, the battery, the solar panel, solar charge controller, like I tell you before, say go fit carry your fan, TV, AC, bowl, deep freezer depending on the size or cable you dey go for. You go deposit just 50,000 naira. Once you deposit 50,000 naira, it means you go buy the product at promo price. We'll give you 4 months. You dey pay small as your power reach. But now when you pay finish, you come carry am. But the advantage of that 50,000 when you deposit be say even when promo don't end, now that same promo price you go take buy am within 4 months. But if you say no, you want to use am, maybe they pay at the same time. That that one now we dey call for Igbo higher purchase. That one dey available. You go come pay 60% of normal price, not promo price. Then you come pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one get your own terms and condition. Or you dey use our product before, you say you wan call return am, make you use one, you go carry like AC ball. You, as long as our product, you can trade it in back, then you upgrade. Or you dey use our product, you bring 6 of your friends when they come still buy from us, we'll give you the next KVA upgrade free of charge.
So more look your pressing iron, and if training see they going for this period, so from there we'll get your address and phone number.
Yes, you see, the balance alternator booster na something we design for people wey dey use pressing iron, especially people wey dey into tailor, fashion designers, dry cleaners. If you get hotel where you get laundry service department for your hotel, I wan let you know say each time you dey plug your iron for the gen, you go dey hear your gen do that dragging adjusting sound. And again, if you be say that those big gen dey use for bank, church, hotel, as you dey plug your iron for your laundry service department for your hotel, yes, you no go dey hear the gen dey do that grease sound, but the truth is that feedback effect dey meet the gen. Even you go notice am say generator wey you first get before wey dey pump borehole, you know dey fit pump the borehole again. Later to carry your freezer, the gen go dey struggle. Sometimes sef for if the generator dey even carry your AC, go come be problem. That's why you need Brightens alternator booster, so that all those heat element electrical materials, pressing iron, ring boiler, boiling ring, electric kettle, you go dey plug am on the booster, so that you no go dey damage the ultimate life of your gen. Then if you dey hear our voice, you wan learn how to do wetin we dey do, come our company. As long as say you sabi read and write, we go fit train you. The only problem wey we get na if you no go fit read and write, because you go receive lecture, they go teach you, you go do exam, we go know whether you understand wetin they teach you before you begin put hand for soldering iron, begin dey solder circuit, make you no go put fire for person house. So I wan let Nigerians know say the wetin we dey do for Brightens Electronics be say if you dey university, polytechnic, as long as say you wan do your IT, you wan learn wetin we dey do, come, we go put you for your industrial attachment program. But because of this COVID-19 training program, what we dey do be say we dey arrange them into group, so that crowd no go dey. So now in group we take dey train people now. So I wan let you know say if you wan reach us for Brightens Electronics, our office address dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road, number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road, near UBTH for Ugbawa, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only, from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday till they make wetin we dey sell and till they install for those wey don already pay based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080 894 62794. Make I repeat am, 080 894 62794. Our MTN number na 080 3581 5348. Make I repeat am, 080 3581 5348. Or you fit search our website www.brighteneselectronics.com, or like Brightens Electronics Company Facebook page, or you type videos of Brightens for YouTube. You go see everything what we dey do over the years. My country people, more na stay safe for this COVID-19.